Welcome to the Smart Sketcher AI tutorial. This incredible new toy is the next evolution of the Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector. It teaches you how to draw anything. The included activity cartridge gives you step-by-step sketching instructions, lets you use your own photo library for personal drawings, or bring your imagination to life with the power of AI. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your Smart Sketcher AI, explore the buttons and user interface, learn how to use activity cartridges and the mobile app, and start creating. The Smart Sketcher AI will arrive in a brown box. If you purchased extra creativity packs, you will find these inside the package on top of the projector box. Let's take a look at what's inside the Smart Sketcher AI box. Inside, you'll find the Smart Sketcher AI projector, a USB-C cord for power, the included preloaded activity cartridge, already inserted into the projector, a built-in compartment drawer for additional activity cartridges, and of course the user manual. With everything unpacked, it's time to set up your projector. Gently detach the projector head from the white base unit. Then connect the head to the top of the base. Twist clockwise until everything aligns securely. The Smart Sketcher AI is powered using a USB-C power cord. Note, a USB power adapter is not included in the package. Important: do not use a power adapter that supplies more than 6 volts, as this could permanently damage the projector. Similarly, do not connect the USB-C cord directly to a computer or laptop. This could potentially damage both the projector and the connected device. Use the included USB-C cord and plug one end into a USB power adapter that provides an output of 5 to 6 volts and a current of at least 2 amps or 2000 milliamps. Connect the other end of the cord to the USB-C port located at the back of the Smart Sketcher AI. A green indicator light will turn on next to the USB-C port, confirming that the projector is properly connected to power. Press the power button, located near the activity cartridge slot on top of the projector. A green indicator light will turn on next to the power button, confirming the projector is powered on and ready for use. Let's quickly go over the buttons to understand how the device works. All buttons are located on the projector head. The home button brings you back to the first activity on the cartridge. The next button, circle icon, skips to the next activity. The previous button, pentagon icon, returns to the previous activity. Once you've selected an activity, use the right arrow to move forward one drawing step. Use the left arrow to go back a step. Now that your Smart Sketcher AI is set up and you know how the buttons work, let's go ahead and do an activity from the preloaded activity cartridge that came with your projector. Use the buttons to pick an activity and follow along as the projector guides you step by step. Great! To change the activity cartridge in the projector, gently remove the inserted cartridge. Store it in the cartridge compartment in the projector base. Insert a new cartridge with the image facing outward. Make sure it fits securely into the cartridge slot. To get the most out of your Smart Sketcher AI, download the free Smart Sketcher AI projector app on your mobile device or tablet. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You don't need to manually pair it in the settings. The app does that automatically. Tap "I have a Smart Sketcher AI" and follow the on-screen setup. You can skip the assembly guide if you've already set up the device. The app will find and connect to the projector automatically. On first use, you'll be asked to create a user account. Enter a valid email and choose a password. Next, create a child profile to complete setup. You'll receive a verification email. Click Activate Account to continue. There are 3 creative modes in the app: activity cartridge drawings, snap a photo and draw, and create with AI. Let's start with the activity cartridge mode. The app will detect the activity cartridge inserted in the projector and download its content automatically. This only happens once. Once downloaded, you'll see all available drawings under the activity button. From now on, you can control the projector from your phone or tablet. Next, let's walk through how to turn a real photo into a drawing. From the home screen, tap the camera button. You may be asked to approve permissions. You only need to do this once. You can take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. For best results, take a new photo within the app. Watch the magic happen and start sketching. Nice! Finally, let's explore how to create a drawing using AI. On the home screen, tap the AI button. You can either type your idea into the text box and tap Create, or tap Surprise Me for a random prompt, then Create. Apply one of 3 filters. Adjust contrast. Then tap the project button to send it to the projector.